Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm here with Federated Tool Supply at the Woodstock Wood Show 2016. I'm having a really good time. We're meeting a lot of people. A lot of people that are interested in woodworking. It's great to kind of be out here in this community that's away from London where our store is. We can meet a lot of the customers, show them a lot of the new product that we have going on. Also just interfacing with them on different issues maybe they're having with the projects that they have coming up, and maybe some of the solutions that we can offer them with some of our products. If you didn't check it out this year, you should definitely come back next year and check out the 2017 Woodstock Woodworking Show. It's a good time.
Hi, my name's Cole Moore. I'm the owner of Canadian Woodworker. We're a retail company from Western Canada. We came out to the Woodstock Wood Show because of the reputation it's had for so many years. We've been selling now for a couple of years in Western Canada our CWI machinery brands, and thought it's time to showcase our products out in Ontario. So we're very pleased to be here, and Gina's been absolutely great to work with. So far the response has been just fantastic. Customers are really enjoying what we're doing, and we're just thrilled to be here.
And design our own line of woodworking products, and the shows are a great way for us to show those products off to our customers. Online is great, we have lots of YouTube videos, but there's definitely something to be said of customers being able to touch and feel and test out products before they actually make the commitment and purchase them. Gina does a great job with the shows. We love her as a promoter. We do a huge line of shows down in the States, but we really love coming back close to home and doing the shows that Gina does. She just does such a good job.
Hi, it's Angela from R&D Bandsaws here at the Woodstock Woodworking Show. Once again, absolutely love doing the show every year. We've been coming for over 30 years. Wonderful customers, great to meet and greet. Gina does an excellent job putting on the show. It just gets better and better every year. Really excited this year, looking forward to next year, and hope everybody can come out.